Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. To change the straps or the wristband on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, pick up your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that above the straps you have the buttons on the body of the watch. And to remove the strap, basically you need to press and hold the button right here, and while pressing the button you need to push the strap to the side. Basically you need to slide it out of the case like this, and it comes out quite smoothly like that. Let's do the same for the second one. So press and hold the button, and while holding the button slide out the strap like this. And now we have the straps removed. Here you have them. And if you have new ones you want to put in, you simply grab your watch, grab the strap, make sure that the shiny pin right here in the middle is facing the back of the watch, and then slide in the strap like this, and it will hold. It will snap in. Same for the top one, like this. And now it's holding. And once you're done, you can wear your watch again. And that's how you change the straps or the wristband on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.